Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Summer School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Dear student, today our topic is solution of assignment 1, CQ number 2. Okay, lecture number 54. Okay dear student, look, two sides A equal to 3.2 centimeter and B equal to 4.5 centimeter and angle B equal to 30 degree of a triangle are given. A number, draw an angle equal to B. Okay. B number, draw a triangle whose two sides are equal to A and B and the included angle is equal to B. Okay. Look, draw an angle equal to B. Okay. This is so much easier for you. Okay. Again, I will solve this in B number. You can help from also B number. Okay. Now, at first you have to take A equal to 3.2 centimeter. Okay, 3.2 centimeter. Take now A equal to what? 3.2. How can you look? This is 3 and this is 2. That means A equal to 3.2 centimeter and B equal to what? 4.5 centimeter. Take now B equal to what? 4.5 centimeter. 0. This is up to this 4 and this is up to 4.5. And you have to draw an angle equal to B. B equal to what? 30 degree. Okay. At first you give the name A equal to what? A equal to 3.2 centimeter. B equal to what? B equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay. And angle X equal B equal to 30 degree. How can? Look, this is the projector. You can place at first. Okay, this is the origin point. You see, this is the origin point. Now look, 10, 20 and this is the 30 degree. You see, this is the 30 degree angle. Okay, now look, this is the 30 degree angle, right? B equal to what? 30 degree angle. Okay. Now at first you have to take any ray BD. The chord of BC equal to A equal to 3.2 from any ray BD. That means you have to take at first any ray BD. Any ray BD. Give the name B. This is the D. And this is ray. So we give arrow sign. Okay. Then from BD we have to cut A equal to 3.2 centimeter from any ray BD. So A equal to 3.2. This is C and this is A. Okay. Okay, look, we cut of BC equal to A equal to 3.2 centimeter from any ray BD. Okay. Then we have to draw BCE at the point C. Okay, of the line segment BC. Look, how can? At first you have to draw what is the measurement? This is the measurement. Okay. Now we have to join. This BC, the name BCE equal to B equal to 30 degree. Okay, now we cut off CA equal to B from CE. Okay, now cut. And this is name is A. Now join A, B. Then ABC is the required correlator. Okay, look, here student, we cut off BC equal to A equal to 3.2 centimeter from any ray B. Then we draw BCE equal to B equal to 30 degree at the point C of the line segment BC or B. Then we cut off CA equal to B equal to 4.5 cm from the line segment C. Okay. Now join A, then ABC is the required triangle. Okay. Now I will solve the question number C. Okay. So let at first we read the question of C number. To draw a triangle whose two sides are A and B. That means A side is 3.2 centimeter and B side is 4.5 centimeter. You see, A equal to 3.2 centimeter and B equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay. And you see again the question, and the opposite side of angle B is A. Okay. That means opposite side of angle B equal to what? 30 degree. And you remember its opposite sides must be A, equal to A. Okay. Look, I have drawn here A equal to 3.2 centimeter, B equal to 4.5 centimeter and B equal to 30 degree. Okay. So at first we have to take any ray B. Take now any ray BD. Take now any ray BD. B and this is D and this is ray. Now we have to draw DBE equal to B 30 degree at B on BD. Okay. Look, how can okay, look. And this is BCE. BCE. Look, DBC, this is DBC. That means at the B point we draw B equal to 30 degree. Okay, and this is we say DBE. Okay. Now from BE we have to cut BA equal to B. Okay. What? You see. And this is what? This is A. Understood? Now taking A as a center, we have to draw another arc. like this way you have to draw another arc. Okay, and this name is C and this is C prime. Okay, now we have to join AC and AC prime. Okay, you see, then ABC and ABC prime is the required triangle. You see the description. Draw any ray BD. We draw DBE equal to B equal to 30 degree on the line on the ray BD. Now we have to cut BA equal to what? BA equal to what? B. BA equal to B and from BE. Now with center at A, that means taking A as the center and the radius equal to the side A, equal to what? Side A. We draw an arc which cuts the line segment BD at C and C prime. That means you see this is A and this is also A. Okay, that means AC and AC prime both are A side, both are equal to A. Okay, now join AC and AC prime, then we got ABC and ABC prime is the required triangle. Dear student, I hope you understood today's discussion. You keep practicing at home. Abide by your friends. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.